The general rule of English grammar is, when the subject is only one, we must use singular verb. And when we have two or more subjects in the sentence, we must use plural verb.
That's right, but what about the words everybody, anyone, or something?
Those words are called indefinite pronouns.
Indefinite pronouns do not refer to any specific person, thing, or even amount. It's vague and really not definite.
We consider them as singular subjects. Therefore, they take singular verbs.
Some examples of indefinite pronouns are everybody, anybody, nobody, somebody, everyone, anyone, no one, someone, everything, anything, nothing, and, well, something.
For you to easily remember them, all pronouns that end with body, one, or thing are considered to be indefinite pronouns.
For example, everyone is listening carefully to the discussion. The subject everyone is a pronoun that ends in one, so it is a singular subject, and we have to use a singular verb, which is. Everyone is listening carefully to the discussion.
Another example is, anything is possible to those who have determination. Since our subject is an indefinite pronoun that ends with thing, it is a singular subject, so it takes a singular verb, is.
That's easy. You just have to remember that indefinite pronouns that end with one, body, or thing are all considered singular, so they take singular verbs.
Great job, kids! See you again next time!
Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next week.